is the area where 2 trees were taken down this morning. And that is where we blew in the wood chips. Here comes Puck. And really, everybody's coming. Oh, what is that? So that's a new pile of wood chips back there that he has not seen before. And this is the area. Missed a little spook there. That's where the trees came down, one of them. Sniffing the stump. Looking at the other one, which is there. Whoops. Is that scary? So horses are hardwired to be skeptical of change and of wanting to investigate. Blowing out of air, he's sniffing the ground where some of the limbs were. Gonna taste them a little bit. Tempo has already decided all is well and she's just going to go back to eating hay. And same with Puck over there. She's found the other one. So all that's new wood chips and they're not paying any attention to that. Hey, bud. You want to come in and see the wood chips? So this is all new. Wasn't here this morning. Just gonna taste them, smell them. Not really worried about them eating too much of it because I've put out fresh hay, but he probably is just wanting to taste and smell it to figure out what it is it okay? It's mostly oak wood chips, so certainly not toxic in small amounts. Playing with it because it's new and different and smells different. Silly man. Anyway, not too much excitement really. Just gonna go in and explore some more. And those two